Okay, this is going to be an integration between brand gaming and Tango cards using Zapier. So let's just jump in here and see how we do. I might be a little clumsy. We don't set up a lot of these, so I'm going to make a new Zap. And I'm going to call it Brand Gaming, and you'll find us right here. And it says trigger an event, and the only event the system has is new player. Continue. Choose an account. We're going to say and we'll say connect a new account. Okay, so what we need is the API key. So let me put this over here. In brand gaming, first, let me just show you how the game is set up. We just set it up for $1 on each one. It just makes it cheaper to test it. So we want to go to account settings, and over here you'll find in account settings you'll find Zapier integration. So we're going to use this as the API key. So copy that, bring that back in here. And now it is just connected. Now this is our testing game. So you're going to connect the game. So anytime there's a new game, you have to come back in here and select the correct game. Test the trigger. Oh, and also there needs to be at least one play in this account. So if we go here, luckily there was. Right, so it needs one play in there, and then it'll bring this data in. And we just say continue. The next thing we need to do is filter it. So we're going to say filter. And down here, what we want to do is we want to say prize name. And we want it does not exactly match. And then we use 0. This way, if somebody loses, then it will just bypass that. Continue. Okay, so that's done. Now we're gonna bring in Tango cards. All right, so now you go to Tango card. We're gonna send the reward. Now we have to choose an account. I already have mine connected, but basically there's a connection just the way that we use the API key. You'll make a connection here. So continue. And let's see. I'm just looking at my notes here. Okay, so okay, so this is my account. And my full account. You want the reward link, the amount. Let's see. The amount. Oh, here we go. Okay, so for the amount, we want to say prize name right there. Oops. And we'll get rid of that. And then here, we want the first name. And the last name. And the email address. The template ID I have saved. So in the rewards link, we have a template ID. Put that in there. You don't need anything for the message, and you don't need anything for notes. Now we're pretty much all connected. Successful. What we want to do is we want to name this before we turn it on. So we're going to name it that. And we're going to turn it on. Retest and continue. And we're up and running. Okay, so this is all fine. Yeah, we're just going to give this a reload. Oh, it's a play code game, huh? I don't think I have any codes. No. Okay, so we don't need this. We just say test. And then bear with me while we wait for the email. I just want to make sure we get in here. Okay, test. Boom. All right, so here's what I won. And now we're going to wait on the email. Not sure how long that's going to take. Oh, here it is. And this is the email that the player will receive. And if it was a different amount, it would be up here. And that's it. All right, terrific.